DJI seems to be gearing up for something truly groundbreaking with what insiders are calling the DJI Avata 360, a rumored leap into the world of consumer 360-degree FPV drones. If the leaks are true, this marks DJI's most ambitious move since the original Mavic revolutionized aerial videography. Reportedly set to debut in early 2026, the Avata 360 isn't designed for racing enthusiasts, but for the new wave of immersive content creators who want to capture the world from every angle without compromise. And honestly, it's about time DJI entered this space in a big way. Right now, the 360-degree creative drone and action camera scene is largely dominated by Insta360, which has set a high bar for innovation and quality. But DJI's rumored Avata 360 could be a direct response to Insta360's A1 series, powered by DJI's legendary stabilization tech, robust software ecosystem, and intuitive FPV experience. This could very well redefine what's possible for drone videography, a real shakeup for the industry that might mirror the disruption the Mavic brought years ago. At the heart of this new machine lies its dual-lens 360-degree camera system. Sources suggest resolutions as high as 5.7K, and possibly even 8K, making it one of the most powerful imaging systems in its class. This level of resolution matters because it allows creators to reframe footage after the flight, pulling multiple 4K shots from a single pass. Every moment is captured from every direction, meaning no missed angles, no missed shots, just endless creative freedom. Combined with DJI's signature electronic image stabilization, horizon leveling, and cinematic smoothing, the chaotic motion of FPV flight could be transformed into beautifully fluid, cinematic footage. It's FPV but buttery smooth. From a flight performance perspective, the Avata 360 is rumored to share much of its DNA with the DJI Avata FPV series, ensuring compatibility with DJI's FPV goggles and providing a responsive, low-latency live feed. Its design seems to prioritize safety and accessibility, with protective propeller guards and a structure suited for indoor flying, tight corners, and those dynamic, impossible-looking shots. It's expected to strike a balance between beginner-friendly handling and the manual control advanced pilots crave. Fun, agile, and safe all in one. Perhaps the most exciting part of the leak is the claim that this drone could weigh under 250 grams. That's a huge deal. A drone that light falls into a category with fewer regulatory restrictions in many countries, meaning easier travel, no mandatory registration, and greater flexibility for creators on the go. Achieving that level of performance and imaging power within such a lightweight body would be a stunning engineering accomplishment, the kind of only DJI could do it moment that gets the community buzzing. There's also talk of smart, AI-powered features that could redefine post-production workflow. Integration with DJI's Flight Hub 2.0 platform may bring AI-assisted flight path smoothing and optional obstacle avoidance. Even more impressive is the rumored automatic 360-degree video stitching, meaning creators could simply fly, land, and immediately have seamless 360 footage ready to edit. No complex stitching software required. It's a dream for vloggers, YouTubers, and filmmakers who value efficiency and creativity in equal measure. Pricing remains a mystery, but early speculation places it around $1,100 for the base kit, with professional bundles, potentially including goggles and controllers, reaching close to $1,900. Of course, that price will sting for some, especially if essential accessories aren't bundled in. And naturally, there are still unanswered questions about battery life, heat management, storage speeds, and durability. Shooting 360-degree footage at high resolutions while maintaining FPV responsiveness isn't easy on power or hardware. Still, if even half these rumors hold true, the DJI Avata 360 could become a must-have tool for modern creators, particularly FPV filmmakers, travel vloggers, VR artists, and digital storytellers who thrive on immersive visuals. It might not appeal much to racers or still photographers, but for those who dream of capturing every angle in flight, it could be revolutionary. If DJI truly delivers on this vision, immersive drone content is about to hit an entirely new altitude, one where creativity is no longer limited by direction, perspective, or imagination.